Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make e-file updated. Start by selecting IRS-authorized software and create a secure account, then verify your identity using your Social Security number and a recent tax return. Next, gather income documents like W-2s and 1099s and prepare deductions and credits details. Carefully enter numbers exactly as they appear on forms, review all entries, and choose direct deposit for faster refunds. In this video, I will explain how to make e-file updated. Begin by organizing your paperwork neatly so each form is easy to reference, then scan or input the exact figures shown on those documents. Use the software checklist to confirm you have all necessary items like W-2s, 1099, and receipts for deductions. Double-check names and Social Security numbers for accuracy, and save a copy of every uploaded document for your records. In this video, I will explain how to make e-file updated. Quick recommendation: if you're spending time in your car between tasks, consider Little Tree's Black Ice for a fresh ride and a laugh while you wait for your return. Check the description for the link and other deals, and support the channel by subscribing and liking if this was useful. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will explain how to make e-file updated. Start the filing flow and answer each prompt accurately, using guided help when unsure, then confirm your filing status and dependents. Verify tax credits and deductions are applied and check the refund or payment summary. Choose your payment or refund method, sign with your e-signature or prior year AGI, and submit. Save confirmation and any acknowledgement numbers for future reference.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.